Right guys, welcome back. Another day on the plot. Emma's playing with her lady garden. So we're getting some more bulbs. Tulips, some mixed daffodils, alliums, hyacinths, more tulips and narcissus, whatever that says. So yeah, all them are going in. So we're extending the bed even further. That's going to be lovely. As you can see, these ones already. Stunning flowers. These things. More of these. So she's going to have quite a nice lady garden, guys, next year when all these bulbs come up. And it's going to be about 24 foot long. Yeah, will attract a lot of bees, pollinators into the garden. So yeah, while Emma's doing that, I'm going to go and get another barret of wood chippings for around the back. I've got a little bit of weeding to do. I am at work later, and then after that shift I've got 10 days off. Yay!
Your birthday?
Yeah, my birthday, guys. 10th of September. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to go and get some wood chip. I've already dug half for that for Emma. It's quite tough. So yeah, I'm going to bring it back in a second. So that is the bed dug over.
And it was a pain in the butt.
You only done half of it.
And the stones though, and the roots. Anyway.
So what's your plan with these?
Well, probably space the daffs out. And the tulips. I'm not sure when these come out. The hyacinths and the allium. I don't know if they're later blooming flowers.
Well, it should tell you.
I'm sure it doesn't.
On the packet. Show me.
That one says then. So that one's. Off them ones will bloom later because they go off that to there. So they'll bloom from 9 months.
And plant them in them months. Where it shows the trail. So I've just been weeding this little area here. I have missed one. So I'm going to go and get some more wood chippings for down here. Because they don't last forever. They do rot in. Been sorting this area out. Getting that de-weeded. I'm going to go and get some wood chippings for down here. I've got these windows from our house. I don't even have a use for them. I don't know. I don't like storing stuff. I like the plot tidy. We're just getting this delivery timber 2x2, and it is 4.8 meters long, £5 the length, guys. I'll come back here and show you the length. £5. So I've got 1 or 2 projects lined up for that.
So they must flower March to April.
Yeah.
Hyacinths, I thought they were later blooming one.
And the tulips will come probably first. The tulips and the daffs.
Tulips March to June.
They don't last long. Tulips and no daffs.
So they flower between March and June.
So.
And they flower later.
Yeah, I would like to put in some sort of a border all the way along here. No idea what course it is. Doesn't look good on camera, but it is a canny sized bed. I mean, you're talking these bays 6-7 foot each. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bays long. So yeah, right, anyway guys, I'm going to go and get the wood chippings and get cracking. Like I said, I am at work later, so I'll need a shower and some food and what have you. So we'll be back in a bit. Emma's just laying out all the bulbs in her lady garden. I've actually got a lot more than we thought. There's absolutely tons of them. So yeah, definitely going to be a nice display. I've been up and getting the wood chippings, so I've put a bit more here. All around the back now is done. Looking a bit tidier. De-weeded. I need to move these boards before someone flops over. Yeah. Garden's looking good. These peppers. They're gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous peppers. And stunning chilies. Still waiting on these ones ripening. Taking a very long time. I've bought seed for next year, but haven't decided how many we're growing and what we're growing. Well, I have decided what because I've bought the seed, but yeah, this whole area is going to be done in next week or two, probably next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Just going to leave the leeks in, everything else will be out. This is going to be our onions and garlic. Maybe get some swede in here because I've got some of them to go out. This part of the garden will not change until we're after Christmas now. So yeah, everything's looking tidy. Still I've got a bit of waiting to do. These peas, they all need to come out now. Yeah, I'll probably take this fence out for the pea support. I'm thinking, guys, I know we've just done this whole area here. I'm thinking about ripping it all up. I've seen a design, I'll see if I can put the picture in on the screen now. But I've seen a design that I quite like the look of. The only thing is with this design I'll not be able to have these covers. But the stuff that's going to be in here is going to be salad stuff, so I'm not sure if it needs to be covered. But yeah, almost the first week of September over. Garden is starting to come to an end, same as everybody else's really. Still got a lot of flowers growing, just good because there's still a lot of bees hanging around. I'll show you in the polytunnel these tomatoes. Lesson learned from this year: cut the bottom trusses off because the slugs are getting them. I've just left them there so the slugs target them ones, they can have them. But yeah, next year definitely be cutting the bottom trusses off. Don't think I'll be growing parsnips in here again. The timber we're just getting, there's going to be supports for in here for training the grapes and cucumbers and stuff like that. So I'm going to really make a nice support for them. Still got some spares, some of them not looking great. We'll have a sort through them in the next few days. That's the Swede I've got to go out from Gary at the Garden Novice. Yeah, I'm now starting to look at giant onions and garlic.
I don't know what the hell is with itching like hell.
We need to get in this fruit cage and start sorting all these strawberry runners out, because we do want to maximise our crop for next year. But that's looking pretty good in there. Emma's just saying she might have had an insect bite or something. I get bitten quite a lot around here, to be fair. So anyway, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Not really too much going on, so please like and share, comment, subscribe, guys, because we do need subscribers really bad. Our channel is growing, but very slow rate, so please hit that subscribe. Until the next time, see you all later.